Okay, we're coming in today. Brand new carpet. What a difference carpet makes for a bedroom. Just gotta really vacuum this place down, which I'm gonna come in tomorrow and do. Pick up a couple more vents. Turn the light on so you can see the carpet color. It's like a beige, white. Might have a little bit of gray in it. Then we always put mud floors in at the front door. So he's got to come back and fix some outlets. A nice transition here. Got plenty of carpet left. Get all the counters cleaned up, cleaned out. This dude's working on electrical. Clean those for the outside covers. Got the window unit in, the big one. Might make a short little window curtain for that. So Aaron came in here, got this fixing. It's working for us now. I think you can hear it. Door, come here in the bedroom. Carpet, need a vent there. Once Steve deals with this water heater, we can close it up. Made a panel for that there. And close it up and put a sign. I'm going to come in and just paint that ceiling one more time right there. And you can cover this all up, put the insulation in there on the bottom. We have a light switch cover, which once he gets that mounted in there, we put that on. I did bring in my old washer and dryer for somebody to RTO. It's working fine. We bought ourselves a new one. All cleaned up. There's my second shelf I put on there. I decided to just take the wood off and put the mirror up here. It was just too heavy, and we did put the mirror clips. So we'll wash this. We decided to install a brand new toilet. So there it is. Closed up the access hole. I'm going to clean this up really good, then I can come in here and caulk it all. I put up another layer of paint up there. Staple that down there. We have a cover for this. So this is a 16 by 20. Working fine. It just basically needed to be cleaned out. There was a lot of debris. When I was here yesterday, Aaron was here cleaning it all out. And Put a new thermostat over here. Simple one. It's got a set. Probably turn it down just a little bit more to about like 60. It's an interesting one. Heat. I don't know, there's no automatic on here, so it's either heat or off. No fan. So it's constantly blowing. Talk to him about that. Does it automatically turn off or what? It's a different kind of thermostat than I've seen before. But I'll get the ladders out of here and finish up just a couple more things, get everything cleaned up, and this place is ready to go. Rug is so pretty when it first gets put down. I like the transition to the floor in the kitchen. Actually looks okay.
Finish. Ała.